I'm new to the game, second year into playing golf. But from my understanding, I think this is where real development is happening here in Nadi. I do not see this in Suva for the club where I play at, and to see young children like this and have organized competition for them. But I thank you all. I know that this is out of your own initiative and out of your own pockets and your time, and I thank you so much for your heart for golf and to making sure that golf develops. I'm scared because I know I'm going to play with some of your players today. Eh? Play golf, but let me just say a few things to the new golfers. You know, golf, it teaches us a few things. The game teaches us a few things, because when you play, you count your own strokes. And the one big thing that golf teaches us is honesty. Honesty. If you hit it 10 times, you can't tell the other person, no, I just hit it 8 times so that you can win. Eh? So it's a game that relies so much on honesty and integrity. So whatever the number of strokes you hit, that's it. That will be recorded as your score. Honesty. 2, and the beautiful thing that I love about golf is it's a game that teaches you respect. When people are about to hit, we keep quiet, we stand still, because we want to allow him the best environment for him or her to hit the ball. When somebody does a good shot, we will compliment that person and say, oh, what a good shot. So golf also teaches us respect. And the good thing too with golf is it makes us walk and do physical exercise and swinging your arms too, which is also very good. So, and golf, who's the best Fijian golfer? Who? Vijay Singh. I think Vijay Singh studied his golf here too, eh? And Vijay Singh has been known all over the world. He's the Fijian that flies the Fiji flag. We have all these big names. You see their flags for their country, but you see the Fiji flag flying there, and it's golf. It's Vijay Singh. That flies our flag there. We're trying to make an arrangement. We are hoping to, keeping my fingers crossed, having meetings with some people. They're coming in next week. We're trying to get a circuit to come to Fiji in October next year, and we to get all these big top names in golf to come over and play at Naupoto. We'll be meeting next week. I hope that will be a fruitful one, and we'll see where we go from there. But I wish you well, and for those of you who will be playing with me, I wish you very well that you're going to meet me for today. Again, thank you very much for all the sponsors. You know, in Fiji, for sports, can't live without sponsors. We have only a certain amount of money within government where we can allocate for sponsorship, but it's sports in Fiji thrive out of the good heart of sponsors that will come forward and provide the things that is required for sports to continue. Thank you, parents, for allowing your kids to come today, and for the representatives from the school. I hope this event will be an annual one and it will grow. People, I've been asked a few times to sponsor trophies, and I usually get them the trophies. When I said, hey, I need one to take to Nadi for the juniors, and this is made out of mahogany, done by the forestry people. And when they brought the trophy to me, it was the biggest one. So you have the biggest one, and I hope you take this to your school if you win, eh? Yeah? Yeah. But you know what? It's not about winning. So go today and play, and just make sure that you play well. If you win in the end, you're happy. If you lose, but you know that you played well, you're happy. Have a nice day, all.